These are all refurbished fuel lines. They were all in decent shape, and I just sanded them all down real good, primered them, and painted them. This car was in a storage building for probably 6 years. Around 6 years, so they wasn't too bad. I guess that saved them. But that's them going under the car. Okay, we got the brake lines in, fuel lines I mean. We got the fuel lines under. All the way to the back. Ain't got the gas tank in yet. I'm waiting on a wiring harness for it. Elmore don't have them. I found them, but I'm going to the Foxtoberfest in Charlotte a couple more weeks or another week, and we'll see if they got one down there instead of just ordering it. But I do have my fuel filter in right there. Put that in. Went ahead and run the lines this morning. Run up, round through the brakes and everything through there. And now we're hooking up headers, and I put my new dipstick tube on. Went and hooked my headers up, then put my plugs in, gap those. And that way now I can probably go ahead and put my H pipe on after I do that. Still got to do the other one over here. Got to hook up my starter, take that off, hook up my starter, and gap all them plugs. And then I'm gonna put my oil sending unit stem on too, and I got me some oil and oil filter. Put my new filter on. Yeah, that's what we're up to today. Okay, we got the headers on and torqued. We got plugs in, all the plugs in. Got my dipstick on this side. Transmission tightened up. Had to take the bolt out and put the bolt back in the bell housing. So we're ready for wires. I got wires. But right now, I'm waiting on new gaskets for the valve covers. I got aluminum valve covers on put on, but the kit I bought had cork in it, and I don't want to put cork, so I got to wait on that. And I'm waiting on to get the wiring harness for the gas tank, so it kind of holds us up a little bit on some of that. But let's see. I'm sure we can find more stuff. We got a lot of stuff to finish up on this thing. I actually still got to hook my throttle cable up. Hook it up. Gotta hook up my cruise control. And I still gotta clean my injectors. I'm gonna clean my injectors out, clean all that up, put new O-rings on them, put them in. And I can't put my H-pipe on now. Put my H-pipe on. And that way I'll have my exhaust, but I do still have to put my drive shaft in. We're coming along. I still ain't figured out yet what I'm gonna do about this. I'm either gonna put the air conditioner back on. I've already deleted the fog pump, so I'm probably gonna delete this. Just get that delete kit. That way it puts the power steering pump up here, and then I'll just buy the belt. Ain't decided on that yet. Still got to get me a thermostat so I can put that my housing on. I still got a lot to do. Need to buy me a battery. Not decided yet on the radiator. I've got a radiator, but I don't know if I'm gonna use it. But yeah, that's where we're at today. We've done a little bit. I got up a little bit late. Wasn't feeling too good today or yesterday, but now I feel a little bit better. Anywho, yep, we'll try to finish this up. I don't know what else. I'm gonna go look at my list and see what else I got to do. Cross some of this off, and we'll see what else we got. All right, thanks for watching. Yeah, I sometimes don't get to put very many videos on, or I'm only get to work on this stuff a lot of times during the weekend, or just on the weekend. So just hang in there. You know, I'm gonna try to keep as many videos going on this thing as I can go. So we'll put them out when we get them together, I guess. And, all right, just hang in there and keep on watching.